When a fixed-term lease is expiring and both parties want to continue the tenancy, a lease renewal agreement provides clarity, updates any terms, and avoids the tenancy drifting into an unstructured month-to-month arrangement. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Here's how to use a lease renewal agreement effectively. A lease renewal agreement can take several forms: a completely new lease for the renewal period, a short addendum that incorporates the existing lease terms and specifies any changes, or in some states, a specific renewal form required by local regulation. The renewal is an opportunity to update the rent amount, adjust any lease terms that need refreshing, add or remove occupants, update the security deposit if permitted by state law, and ensure all required disclosures are current. For rent-stabilized units in New York and other regulated jurisdictions, the renewal must be offered within a specific window before the current lease expires, and the tenant has the right to renew on the regulated terms. Give the tenant adequate advance notice of renewal terms. Many states require 30 to 90 days advance notice. For any rent increase in the renewal, the applicable rent increase notice period applies. Our free lease renewal agreement form covers all standard renewal provisions and can be customized for your specific state and property. For the free form and landlord resources, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.